Do it with Madison Beer, but she sounds like Morgan Freeman.
I can smell you.
Get the iPhone 15 for free, but you have to comment your battery percentage. Get unlimited money, but Chuck Norris hunts you down. Win the lottery, but your family passes away. Have any superpower, but you have to marry the first person that appears when you click share, then more. Cure every disease in the world, but you can never eat McDonald's again. Be granted 3 wishes, but your family passes away. Win $1 million, but you have to go prison for a year. Be Thor, but you have to fight Superman.